about those animals in danger of extinction because they are on red alert. Then watch the video. Since there is a mare on ear, its fauna has been transformed on many occasions. For thousands of years and very recent, there have been five major extinctions of the species that populated the earth. But the action of human beings today the planet is the limit of what scientific could be the sixth great extinction. But is there really such a serious problem? To make the population aware of the importance of animal extinction, we decided to conduct an interview with one of the doctors in charge of protecting animals in danger of extinction in the world to get the scientific and professional point of view of the case. Welcome, Dr. Diana Fernandez. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you very much, Milbe.
I have many questions for you. So, Doctor, tell us, when is it considered an endangered species?
A species is considered to be a danger of extinction when all its represented is to risk disappear of the earth.
How many animals are in danger of species?
According to data from International Union of Conservation of Nature, approximately 5,200 species of animals are currently endangered.
What causes would put animals in danger?
There are multiple reasons why a species may find itself of brink of extinction. Among, among the greatest threat is the destruction of the habitat. Also, the climate change, hunting, and illegal trafficking.
Um, 2M. Do you think we could avoid the extinction of species?
It is not an easy task. Preventing the disappearance of animals implies the implementation of large number of specific results of action. Some of them would be, for example, hardship prosecute and punish illegal hunting and trafficking of the species, the hike against pollution and change climate. It's also the fight for the conservation of the animal. Each personal decision has a global consequence in multiple aspects, hence the importance of the population social awareness.
We definitely have to culturally change our relationship with the natural world. in order to preserve in species.
Yes, Miss Milby, it is a problem that affects us all.
Okay, it's time for say goodbye. Thank you very much, Dr. Diana. Have a happy night.
Good night, Milby.